All right, so I haven't shown anybody this yet, but in the background, I've been building this BuildLab beta. When I first uploaded BuildLab and turned it into BuildLab, I just quickly put something in there, and I soon was realizing that I wanted to give you so much more, and I wanted to change a lot of things that have changed recently with AI updates, with the different ways to go about doing video, and just the different types of platforms that we've seen a lot of growth on. And I just wanted to share something new with you. So for the past week or so, I've been actually rebuilding this new BuildLab. And I just want to show it to you. They've already got videos in them. I'm going to be releasing this all today. So there's 1, 2, 3 new videos in this one. I'm rebuilding the whole BuildLab here. So this one's going to have how to do your core offer, how to create your video sales letter to sell whatever it is that you're selling, how to do the video outline, filming, editing, and publishing. And these are all done already. So there's the link right here. And these videos are pretty good. And I've got like these summaries of resources. So each one of the modules, here's what we're going to be covering. So this is what I did in the first one. We covered this stuff here. And then the second pillar, video sales letter, did this. And you get all these links and everything. So like I have like copies of like all my stuff to get you through everything. Let me open a little preview here, get this out of the way. But just the different things you need to do to get this thing cranking and going. So I've been building it out. I've got example VSL funnels for you here. I've got how to use WordTune and ChatGPT. I'm actually talking to another company that's an AI company today around 1:30, and they're going to be talking to me about their brand new software, but they go into much more detail. I'll share more about that here in a bit. I give you like my different mics that I use, the different softwares I'm using, and I take you through these different models of what to do here. And then, let me get out of that real quick. And then in the website and funnels, I show you how to use different AI things to build your website. I give you my website template. And then we're getting into the funnels here. And then integration, how to work it all together. And I've got this built out for you. So I take you through my web builder, the different ways to get it set up and going with everything that you need to do. And then in Pillar 4, we're talking all about email automations. How does the flow of your email automations work? What is the schedule and length of your automations? What email automation software should you use? Content and copywriting. How do you come up with content for your email campaign? How do I create copywriting and messaging? What's the most important thing to remember about email marketing? And then I've got modules on this. That way you're just dialed in. It's quick. It's easy. You know what to use and what to do. Then we've got the traffic engine. Here I'm going to be showing you basically what the steps are in the flywheel, mastering the flow and being easy about it. The mind thinks in terms of images, and that's just basically thinking about your content creation, your messaging, your traffic engine. Then we go over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And then we go through your daily workflow, outsourcing, things you can do there. Then in Pillar 6, we talk about optimization and workflows, processing payments, Stripe, course and mastermind creation stuff, consulting, how to create a course, a community, weekly Zooms, automations to build that kind of business, and then community growth, different things I'm learning about the influencer marketing space and just user-generated content and things like that. And then, the big thing is really just connecting in the group, right? Like I can't stress to you enough, if you get on a Zoom with me and ask me your questions and you share with me what you're going through, we'll get you through it. I always say to people when they get started with me, I can't do your push-ups for you, but if you do show up, we can get it done. And that's the thing. It's all about that. So this is all coming. I'm getting ready to release so much of this. Like I've got all the videos and stuff in here that I wanted to show you and get you all pumped up about, really. So I just been working in the background listening to you. So it's important it's important for you to, these are all videos I haven't even released yet, 00000, all these things are awesome. So got some good stuff coming for you, and then I'm cleaning out the rest back here and making this all new. So these here in the classroom, like the Evergreen Student Growth Machine, the Dojo Student Blueprint, these courses that we've sold, for years and years and years, the YouTube Ads Dojo, Getting Started, Magnetic Dojo, all these things are coming out of here because I've combined all of this stuff down together. And I know there's a lot of training and a lot of good stuff in here, but I just want to, I'm simplifying everything. So yeah, I'll just let you know that that's coming right now, getting ready to release it all out. I changed over my website builder that I was using. So that took a little bit of change, but you're going to love that thing. It's awesome. But hopefully this helps see a little bit more of what BuildLab's going to be bringing to the table, and it's getting better and better too. We've got some really cool people in here, big YouTube channels, guys that have 500,000 subscribers sharing their stuff and getting this thing going with them, and people that have businesses all around the world that are either services or their digital product sales, or they sell coaching or masterminds, or they teach sports or martial arts. It just doesn't really matter as long as you've got a solution that solves a problem that people are eagerly trying to go solve. If you can solve a problem like that, this BuildLab, this process is gonna be awesome for you. You're gonna love it. So anyway, just wanted to drop a line. If you wanted to, if you have any questions, just get on that call. We'll get you all handled. So if you guys have any questions, just hit team@makeonce.com, and we'll talk to you. So, all right.